Today I'll be showing you my backend CA2 assignment. So the theme is basically fantasy adventure. So this is the home page people will see when they first press on this website. Basically the first part they will see is a message to invite them to start playing. And then they will also see a leaderboard to see how far they are ranked across other users playing the game. And I've also added in an instruction manual first, let's say, like they can learn how to play the game if they do not know how to. Basically, they can just complete fitness challenges and earn skill points. And using these skill points, they can buy players. And buying players, after buying players, they can use these players to play quests as well. And they can earn more skill points by playing quests. Okay, but let's say this person is not logged in. Okay, if they are not logged in and they click on start playing, it's basically going to bring them to a login page, redirect them to a login page because they are not logged in. And let's say they click on shop before logging in, right? So let's say they want to buy this character and they click on buy. It's going to bring them to the login page again because they are not logged in. And if let's say they go to the quest page again and they want to start, let's say this quest, the pirate's treasure, so they accept, it will show them an alert saying that they need to log in first, so they can click on the OK button, which will bring them to the login page again. And collections page, okay, so if they are not logged in, this is the message they will see. They have no collectibles available, and they have to start playing quests to earn more collectibles. So it wouldn't redirect them to the login page, but it will just not show them anything. So going to the fitness challenge page, if they're not logged in, they won't be able to see any of the challenges available, and they will only see an alert saying that they need to log in first. So you can click on the OK, which will bring them to the login again. And let's say they want to give a review, but they are not allowed to review without logging in, so they can't like click on anything, or like they can't submit, they can't see other people's reviews as well. They have to log in first. So click on OK and it'll bring them to the login page again. So let's say I want to register a new account. Okay, so I'll click on register and I will say like a new account, maybe Nina. Okay, and let's say this email and 123 so register a new account. So when they register, it will bring them to a profile page where they can see all their user details. So you can see like what's the user's username and the user ID that they are given, and the email that they registered with, what day did they created this account on, how many fitness challenge they finished, how many quests did they finish, how many skill points did they earn, and did they buy any players, like the number of players that they bought, and what are the players' names, like what players did they buy. So let's say I'm not happy with this username and I'm not happy with my email either. There's this edit icon where they can edit the user details that they can change. So let's say I want to change this to username, just say a random username, and let's say username at gmail.com, and I can save details. So when I refresh the page, it will actually fetch the new username. So like now the username is set to username and the new email is set to this one. So now that they are logged in, right, registered, they can play fitness challenges to earn more skill points. So this is what they can see in the challenges page. They can see an add button where they can add new challenges, and they can also see a list of challenges available for them to complete. They can complete this challenge however times they want, and they can earn the skill points again and again. And yeah, so let's say I want to complete this long walks challenge. Then I click on the complete button, and I can give notes to myself. Let's say, yay, I finished. And let's give a creation date. Let's say this date. I can click on the complete challenge, and it will give me an alert saying that I have finished the fitness challenge successfully and the skill points have been added. So I can click on the OK button, and okay, let's go see if the skill points have been added to our profile. I'm supposed to be getting 2,344 skill points. Let's go see if it has been added. Yep, so one fitness challenge has been completed and 2,344 skill points have been awarded to this user. So let's say they want to add a new challenge. They can add a new challenge. Let's say sleeping. Okay, let's say a random one. Creator ID is basically the user ID. So my user ID is 5, and the skill points, this is basically how much skill points they want to allocate to this challenge. So let's say 300. Then I can click on add challenge, and it has been added successfully inside the list of challenges. It has been added successfully. But let's say I don't like this challenge anymore, so I can click on the delete button, which will delete the challenges from the list itself. So okay, after they play these challenges, right, and let's say they want to buy a new character to play quest, so they can buy players. Let's say I want to buy this player, so they can click on the buy button, and it will, once they buy, right, it will show them a green color button which becomes disabled, so they can't buy this character anymore because it has been added to their collection. So the skill points is 850, so let's go check if 850 has been minus off our skill points. So let's go. Yep, so it has been minus, and it has been also updated. So they buy one player, and the player is Jackson Wharton. So it has been updated successfully. So for example, the user wants to submit a review, right? They can click on this to give how much stars they want to. So let's say I want to give 4 stars. I can give like this feedback over here saying hi. I can submit the review, and my review will appear under your reviews, and how many stars I have given and what time it has been posted on. So I have the option to edit or delete my review. Let's say I want to edit my review, like I don't want to give 4 stars. Let's say I want to give 1 star. So it gives me, so it changes to 1 star. But let's say I want to review and give like 10 stars, which is not in the limit. So let's say if I give 10 stars, it gives me an error message saying invalid review and it must be between 1 to 5. So let's just edit back to 4, and it changes back. So let's say I don't like my review and I don't want it to be over here. So I have the option to delete also. And when I click on the delete button, it gives me this alert pop-up message that I can click on OK if I want to delete this review. So if I click OK, then my review disappears. Then there is this collection page also. So when the user completes a quest, random 3 items are actually being added into their collection. So when they finish the first quest, right, they get 3 random items. So these are all like the different items and collectibles that they can collect. Yep. So when after they give their reviews, right, I'll be showing you the quest function. So basically what the quest is that the users can actually play these quests, and by accepting it first. So when they accept it, the button basically becomes yellow color, to show that it has been accepted successfully. And when you click on that button again, it would actually change into green color to show you that this quest has been completed successfully.